This is what it looks like. There she is, little Miss Christmas.
Right in.
It's work. Hi, so I thought I'd do a vlog today because I really enjoy watching vlogs and yeah. So I got this parcel today, right? And it is interesting. So basically, I went on a night out and my friends were like talking about this app called Rover where you can get like fake bags and stuff. And then on the night out, I decided to come home and order like some fake stuff. Hence why I got this. But I forgot that I'd ordered it because I was drunk. And then I got a text like, you have a parcel coming in from China. And I was like, what the fuck? And it's this. So I thought I would just open it on the camera and show you. It's wrapped up so well, to be fair. This is what it looks like. And then the inside's like this, and there's like a little zip as well. What the hell? It looks so real. Obviously, I wouldn't wear it with this hoodie. Oh my. Sorry, am I rich as fuck? It's genuinely so good. Look at it. This cost me £40. I mean, it smells really plasticky, but like, wow. Look at her. She's cute. That is a bargain. I don't even know how much the original cost, but I know that it's more than £40. For sure it's more than £40. Okay, so I thought I would just show you like my everyday makeup look. One thing, right? I love my room. I've like redid my room, as you know. I literally love the room and stuff, but I put my dressing table in this corner, like in the chimney, in the alcove thing, and I sort of regret that. I planned on having a mirror, like a lighted mirror on that wall, but I actually bought one and it just was not nice. Like it just was like not the vibe of the room. It was too like glossy for the room because the room's got like all this mid-century furniture and stuff. So I literally now always sit and put my mirror on my windowsill and like sit and do my makeup here. So I sort of regret that because like the light is just so bad. Can't do your makeup in that little hole at all. But yeah, that's my number one regret. I'm just gonna do my makeup now. There's building works, if you didn't already know. So that was my like 15, oh, it's so dark. That was my 15-minute just like everyday makeup look that I tend to do most days. I don't use foundation, I just use concealer to sort of cover like my blemishes and stuff, and then yeah, I mean you saw what happened, so yeah, that's that. So I'm going to town to meet my friend Juliet. I'll take you with me. Okay, so I've just been to get petrol, right? Does anyone else hate getting petrol? It literally, I just want it to be over like the full time. Like I'm doing it and I'm like, I want this to be over. I really don't even know what we're going to do in town. Like, I've not eaten, so maybe we'll get lunch. Who knows? We'll just see what the crack is. This is a personality trait of mine. I put a CD in my car and literally keep it in for months on end, and then eventually I know all the words to all the songs and then I change it. That's the tea. So currently got Billie Eilish in. I literally listen to it constantly. So I'm with Juliet now. Love me life. And I've got an ASOS parcel. Look at the size of that. It is literally like
the size of a purse.
Gonna break. It's literally the size of a small child. There could be a baby in there, but there's not. It's just cloths. Yeah, so we're just walking in town. Obviously gonna return this to the post office and then see where the day takes me. The ASOS return is done. We're gonna look at the Phoenix window because it's cute and nice. So in Newcastle, right, there's a shop called Phoenix, and every year they have like this window. Explain it. Every year they have this window.
It's like a different theme every year.
Yeah.
And it's like really cute, and loads of kids queue up and see it.
Yeah.
Have music, and it's just lush.
So it's nice, and we're gonna look at it now. It's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory theme this year. So there he is. We're in Tortilla. I'm eating a burrito, but Juliet's already had her lunch, so she's having a brownie. And we're both just having a Coke. I'm having a diet. She's just said there's 2 types of girls in the world. I just like...
Oh, hello.
I just like don't like full fat Coke. Like I can't drink it. It makes me feel sick. Tasty. You know what makes your eyes water though? Just left Tortilla. Hurricane Katrina. More like Hurricane Tortilla. We're gonna go to H&M, I think.
Need some earrings.
Need some earrings. I love it. Do you know what? I love it when people look at me when I'm vlogging, because for all they know I've got 1 million subscribers. Do you know what I mean? Like, they don't know that I don't. So I'm not embarrassed. Look at me. I'm vlogging and I'm proud about it.
Zoom right in.
Hey, it's worked.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's videoing. Okay. So we're now gonna go and look at the Christmas sections in the department stores, and I'm just gonna show you what's there because it's so Christmassy. Look, it's so nice. Should we not just go in Phoenix here?
Well, yeah, that's what I was thinking, but you were just, I was following you.
So yeah, we're gonna go and look at the Christmas sections. So in Phoenix now, I'm gonna show you the Phoenix Christmas shop, then I'm gonna go and show you the John Lewis one. Exciting. Oh my god, look at it in here. Oh my god, they've just got this Christmas tree section. Oh, little baby things, little pudding, it says. That's so cute. There she is, little Miss Christmas. Right, should we go down this way? There's this little
Phoenix, which is where we are.
Yeah.
You've got
the Angel of the North. Oh, and the bridges. Oh my god.
We lived like...
Oh,
St James's Park.
We lived like here, if that was an accurate map.
Yeah.
Which I don't think it is, to be fair. That looks so cool in the camera, look.
Oh my god, it is.
Right. They've got macaroon ones. They've got macaroon ones. I can't believe it.
Our treat.
Oh my god. That's so... I love that.
It makes
that
me
looks
want
like
more.
kind of real. I mean, no, I lied.
I mean, that bit maybe.
Yeah, that chocolate bit looks real.
But that bit, no. Christmassy, sorry. And what
That's not
planet
Christmassy.
Isn't
Well, how's that Christmassy?
Once I said to my dad, I'm so full, I've got a food baby. And he didn't hear what I said and he dropped his knife and fork because he thought I had a baby.
Juliet's pregnant, don't tell her dad. Last year, or the year before, they had a Paddington Bear Christmas cafe and it was the cutest thing. Oh my god. Look at the zoom, that's so funny. Oh my god, love it. This one is so cute, so nice. We're gonna now go to John Lewis and compare the Christmas sections and we'll tell you what we think. To the Christmas. I'm so buzzing. I love a festive day. A festive day. What's it say? Oh, they've got this thing where you can personalise your box for Quality Streets. You choose the ones that you want. I could just scan this right now, there's no one watching. It's the sort of thing that I would have had as a kid. This like little fairy thing. Look what we've found. I've never been in here, this is new. Anyway, I've got a coconut milk hot chocolate because it literally tastes like a bounty when you drink it. And it's so tasty. And then we've got one of these to share. Then what have you got?
Red latte.
Gingerbread latte. Look at these lights. I feel festive today. Can I ring the bell?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
To ring in the bell,
that's
so I won't. I won't. We're in Alden Square and we're going into Primark before we go home. And I'm just gonna look at the stuff that's in Primark. My Primark is so huge. So we're just gonna have a little cheeky look at what's in store, what's inside there.
Hello YouTube.
That's the tea. Oh my god. They've got classic Christmas stuff and that's exactly what you want. Stuff like this, like we have so much stuff like this in our like Christmas collection. Little gingerbread man.
Oh, I like this. Oh, he's a bit flat though. He's like flat stand.
He's so skinny. So bad, and that's $2.50. And then this little one that's better is $1.50. What's that about, like? Juliet, I like this duvet. This is the perfect colour for my room.
And then this is
why am I drawn to this? This is
going to be my new room.
That's Juliet's new room there.
With a gold. Well, we're in Costa getting water. There's nothing on this stool.
It's meant to be Penelope the Hologram.
It must be popular.
She must be cute, that's what I think.
That's a good angle outfit. There it is. D4. Miles. That was a funny little laugh.
I've just literally drank more than half this water bottle in approximately 3 seconds.
Sucked it in.
Let me do it. Hold it.
It's awful. That's awful. That's rancid. We've also learned that she can't, when she drinks, she tips her head back like this, and she can't tip the bottle or the can. She doesn't go like this with her hand. She goes like,
yeah, I know. Get off.
Stole your vlog.
Oops, sorry. Okay, so we're finished in town. We're just walking back to the car now. I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna end the vlog. Bye, Juliet. It's been so nice. I've had such a nice little Christmassy little time.
I feel really festive now.
Me too, even though it's literally the beginning of November. Oh, honestly.
If this is us now, what we're gonna be like
Christmas,
at the beginning of December.
Oh, I'm gonna be wearing that jumper. That Christmas jumper. If you've not seen that, please go and see my thrift video because literally it is so funny, that jumper. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog. Hope you've enjoyed it. It's been fun to sort of do a real kind of vlog. I've never really done this before. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. See you very soon. Bye.